After months of complaints from residents surrounding a controversial safer supply clinic in Chinatown, the facility closed its doors this week. But just hours later, a new clinic opened up, offering the same services, catching the area councillor and residents off guard. The new Dawn Medical Clinic, formerly Northwood Recovery, is located on Somerset Street West. CTV's Austin Lee joins us now with more on this. Austin.
Patricia, the Northwood Recovery Clinic faced significant public backlash in Hintonburg before moving to Chinatown. Residents raised concerns about public safety and open drug use, leading to Northwood's outright closure. But the clinic is back, and it's under a new management team, one that is promising to do better. A new name, new management, but the same type of controversial safer supply clinic opening in Chinatown this week.
Our understanding was that Northwood was closing. There was no information given to anyone, to our councillor, to ourselves, that someone else was taking over the business.
New Dawn Medical taking over Northwood Recovery's previous location, the clinic offering those struggling with addiction prescription medications in place of fentanyl and other drugs. But there are concerns the same type of clinic will create the same type of issues in the community.
We were seeing a huge uptick in a criminal ecosystem, including drug dealing and robberies near the clinic.
Area Councillor Ariel Troster says she was not told a similar clinic would be opening up.
I received an email and a call over the last couple of weeks saying that they intended to close and that June 9th was the day that they were going to close. Sure enough, on Monday, the residents walked by the clinic to see it's business as usual with exactly the same staff and supposedly under new ownership, so there's a high level of frustration.
This clinic is one of 50 New Dawn Medical locations across the province.
We're here to help. We're here to serve the community.
The medical director acknowledges they will operate similarly to Northwood Recovery with the same staff and delivery model, but says they are doing what they can to address community concerns.
If we have patients that are there that shouldn't be on the program, those are the patients that are high risk for diversion or selling. And we are very stringent about choosing the right patient and making sure that they really need this kind of program.
He says patients will undergo regular urine testing to ensure they are taking their medication and not diverting it into the community.
You know, this is not standard across the country, right? There are many clinics that don't have these kind of protocols in place.
Residents are hopeful the new clinic will address their concerns.
Very cautiously hopeful.
Now, another issue here is the lack of government regulation to ensure privately run safer supply clinics offer wraparound care. We did reach out to Ontario's Ministry of Health, but we didn't hear back before airtime. Patricia.
All right, CTV's Austin Lee live for us tonight. Thank you. And we have extended coverage of the new Safer Supply Clinic now operating in Chinatown. There are more stories online at ctvnewsottawa.ca.